and I prefer to use plate because I don't like to use those. I started off my life down in the little village, and now I became international traveler. Hi guys, today I just want to show you cheapest food here in South Africa. Actually, yeah, let's see. We always buying for 15 rand. 15 rand is equal to 0.80 US dollar or 0. Yeah, almost $1. Let's see. Let's see. Sure. Spato for how many? Spato got how much?
Spato 34, 27, 22, 20, 17.
Yeah, give me for 17. I'm already arrived in this restaurant, and this is the price. Yeah, it is exactly $1. Yeah, you see. So I've ordered this food. So you will see, guys. You know, you see. So let's wait. So let's wait. I'm waiting for the food. You will see, guys. We call it Spato. Yeah. It's not like I'm promoting them to show you this. It's not like that. What I'm trying to do is to show you real price, and maybe let me put this a little bit instead. But I just want to show you. It will help you. 15 rand is like $1 US. You understand? Yeah. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. The cheapest food here. I'm trying to take out this plastic because most of people they put it in this plastic, so I don't like it. So guys, let me try to show you a little bit. So these things is a mix of it's all about French fries. Other people they know is eat at chips, and I think a lot of people they call it chips, but other people they call it French fries. But they put a bread, French fries. Let me show you. So this is a mixing bread and chips. And other people they always put in something like you will see inside. When I'm continuing to eat, I will show you. There is follows and cheese. Yeah, cheese follows and something called the acha. But me now I don't really like acha. Acha is a mango. They just blend mango and kind of stuff. But I myself I really don't like, and I prefer to use plate because I don't like to use those blue plastic. You see on that table, that's how they do. You see, so I really don't like such things. You understand? So because I really like a lot of these pies, and you see these bottles here. You see other people there, what they do in their meal, they use the plastic like that. You understand? So yeah, I think this is a good way for me because I really like this to put too much sauce like this. And I myself, sorry, there is a bit noise because they are watching soccer. You understand? So, what I wanted to tell you, the way I eat this food, it's not like I supposedly to eat like this. No. If you find them the way they eat, that's why they put it in the plastic. When they put it in the plastic, they hold like this. These chips, because these chips must be in the middle of this bread. You understand? So you just hold it like this, and then they start eating like wap. For me, it's a bit hard. And if I eat like them, that means all these places I'll be dating these tomatoes, what. They hold, you see this? They hold it like this. You see? And then they eat. So let me show you. Inside of this, there is something like this. They call it follows. You see? And the name of this food is called spato. Yeah, spato cotta. It's what I've taken. So, and I know a lot of places they say 15 rand, but here it is 17 rand. But I've seen the difference. Here they put a lot of these chips. That's why. And it's so nice. I like the way they make these chips dry. They dry them nicely. You understand? So I've seen you. I've shown you this one. I've showed you this one. And there is another thing. I'm always forgetting its name. I will show you again. But anyway, everything we need to try, guys. But I want to show you a reason why I don't like to eat like the way they eat. Check. Themselves, they hold it like this. And then, you see? So myself, like everything is inside. I can't. Let me try. But I wanted to show you this. I don't know what the name of this, but it's fine. This one. You see? It is inside also here. I don't know. I'm always forgetting it now. So, but let me eat like them. Let me like them. So I've shown you the way I eat myself. So this one I must eat like the way they eat. But I'm always be confused. You see?
Saw the first goal last weekend for Manchester City, and it's broken the deadlock again. This.
Yeah. So myself, I don't like this. You see? And the other people in the street, you will see them. They're eating like this, but this sauce, it's like. And then they take tissue, they wipe. So I don't like such things. But anyway, I like it. It's a good thing. It's a nice experience.
Similar to that. What he's doing is stopping the attacking source, sneaking taking Kevin De Bruyne around.
But the food is so young. That's the honestly speaking. The food is really nice. You see, guys, these are things that I really don't like. To be dirty everywhere. So,
Huge amount of possession in the early stages.
this is the only thing that I really like to use this. But the origin, everyone who buy this, not everyone actually, but most of people who buy this, they use those plastic and then they just open it and eat it. They squeeze it down and then they eat it until they finish. But I myself, I can't do it. It's a bit hard for me, but it's a way of showing you guys. You understand?
Rest of the division isn't going to want to see him at full tilt.
This is the real meaning of travel. Travel, meet new people, learn new things, try new things, learn culture, and don't forget to try their food. You understand? So I'm really enjoying very enjoying. I like it. So travel, guys, don't wait. Don't wait. You need to travel as long as you can. The world is ours. You understand?
Excellent tempo now again inside the opening 10 minutes. Struggling well, isn't it? Shrugging up the challenge. Some of the players would have gone down in that phase. Show.
Finally, I'm already finished it.
You mentioned earlier on Jim's personal record against
And this
Manchester
is
City. One that he
how
really does need to
my
improve
finger
on, to say
dead.
the least.
Yeah. I finished, guys, but wait. Oh my God. When I'm going outside, I will tell you something. So don't end it here. The video is not end yet. Wait. Let me go to wash my hands and then I go out. The tap is almost there, so we must take a water here and wash our hands. I don't know what's wrong here. You see? I don't know. No tissue, we use scarf. It's my handkerchief actually, so I'm just trying to use it. Let's go out, guys. So I'm outside. Yeah, I'm outside now. Hey guys, yeah, the food is really nice, and that's the restaurant. Oh, so guys, yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. But yeah, travel, try different foods, learn new culture, try a lot of things, you know what I'm saying? So, and that's my life, and that's the real meaning of traveling, you understand? So I like this car, by the way. It's a Jeep, and that is our direction. You see, I like those trees behind of this building. Actually, it's a lot of it's Audi Center Arcadia. Yeah, I'm not promoting them, but I like that. So if you need Audi, come and fetch it here. And I like these trees. It reminds me somewhere like in the beach. Yeah, travel. So let me say thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and that's the cheapest food which you can get for $1, just for $1. You understand? So yeah, it's a nice experience. You understand? I've shown you a receipt. So more videos on the way. Click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Wow, I like that place. Look, I think the place is under construction. So let me say bye. See you to the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.